If you work in sales, you're not short on tools, you're short on time. Your reps spend hours updating CRM records, prepping for meetings, chasing follow-ups, and hunting for content instead of actually selling. In this video, I'll show you how Microsoft 365 Copilot for Sales, and Sales Agent remove that friction, and how you can build your own sales agent using Agent Builder to solve real everyday sales problems. Microsoft already gives sales team a strong starting point. Copilot for Sales works across Outlook, Teams, and your CRM, whether that's Dynamics 365 Sales or Salesforce. It summarizes emails and meetings, draft follow-ups, and helps sellers update CRM directly in the flow of work. And now, with Sales Agents in Microsoft 365 Copilot, sellers can interact with their sales data using natural language without digging through systems. This isn't just theoretical, it's already delivering results in the real world. For example, at Schneider Electric, Copilot for Sales was rolled out to reduce admin for sellers. Copilot now summarizes emails and meetings and help reps update Salesforce straight from Teams and Outlook. The result of this was better efficiency, higher quality data, and more time spent with customers. And at Avanade, sellers are saving 30 to 60 minutes every week just by using Copilot to summarize email threads and prepare for client meetings. Now, let's look at the sales agent that can help you see similar results reflected in your business. Agent 1, Sales Agent. Let's start with an agent you already have. The Sales Agent in Microsoft 365 Copilot acts like a sales-aware assistant. It understands your CRM, your emails, and your meetings and bring all that context together. It helps with things like account summaries, opportunity overviews, recent meetings and next step, and CRM lookups using natural language. For example, you might ask, give me a summary of this account. What are my top opportunities closing this month? Or summarize recent meetings with this customer. The big win here is speed. Your sellers get instant context without opening CRM. Agent 2, Meeting Prep and Follow-up Agent. Meetings are one of the biggest drains on sales time. Preparing for them takes time. Follow-up takes time. Copilot for Sales handles both. The Meeting Prep and Follow-up Agent is another pre-built agent. It pulls together pre-meeting summaries, captures key points during meetings in Teams, and produces post-meeting summaries and next steps. So meetings actually turn into actions. At Avanade, sellers relies on Copilot before every client call for context and afterwards to send faster, more consistent follow-ups. Custom sales agents you can build yourself. Pre-built agent gets you moving quickly, but the real value comes when you build sales agent tailored to your processes using agent builders in Microsoft 365 Copilot. Let's look at two practical examples. Custom Agent 1, Lead Qualification Agent. This agent tackles a familiar background. Lead comes in, but your teams don't know which ones to prioritize. A lead qualification agent reviews lead data from CRM exports or SharePoint list, applies your qualification criteria, and recommends the next best action. You might ask, which new lead should I focus on today? Or why is the lead ranked as high priority? This is a great first agent to build. It uses simple logic, is grounded in your data, and can be deployed quickly. Agent 2, Proposal and RFP Assistant. Proposals are another major time sink, and they are often inconsistent. A proposal and RFP assistant pulls from past proposals, pitch decks, and pricing documents to draft a first version while keeping your tone and messaging consistent. For example, You might prompt it by saying, draft a proposal for a mid-market healthcare customer, or reuse our last successful Azure migration proposal. You can build this agent in Agent Builder, powered by your SharePoint knowledge sources. Agent Builder versus Copilot Studio. So when should you use Agent Builder and when should you use Copilot Studio? A simple rule of thumb: use Agent Builder when your sales agent needs knowledge, summarization, or guidance, and use Copilot Studio when you need deeper workflows, integration, or automation across systems. Here's the takeaway. Your sales team already have powerful AI assistants with Copilot for Sales and Sales Agent. But when you combine those with custom agent built in Microsoft 365 Copilot, you remove admin, sharpen focus, and give your team more time to do what actually drives revenue: building relationship and closing deals. Get in touch to get started with Copilot agents in your business today.